I was driving dashboard alternate the other day and decided to get on the I-95 and head into Jacksonville. Now, normally, this isn't anything video worthy. You know, when getting on the interstate, right? Well, this happened. A semi is getting on the interstate ahead of me, and there are other cars and trucks getting on the interstate at the same time. Now, I was watching this pickup truck because he wasn't merging into the travel lanes like everyone else. Oh, wait, I need to back up and tell you something. On this particular merge on-ramp, there are 2 lanes. Now, one lane merges into the other before the other merges into the highway. Anyway, back to the pickup truck. I watched him run the first merge lane all the way to the end before getting into the second merge lane. And then he ran it all the way to the end. Now, the only problem with this is when he ran out of merge lane, he was right beside a semi. So what does he do? Speed up or slow down? In this case, he decided to speed up and drive through the emergency lane in order to pass the semi and cut him off. Now, I don't understand what the pickup truck driver was thinking in this situation, but it definitely caught my attention.
You let him know you're willing to let him out?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. I was waiting on the courtesy.
This idiot.
Yeah.
Gonna run it all the way out. Then it ends right there. He ain't even at it. He's in the damn emergency lane. What an idiot.
And I think I got that on camera. Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.